Okay, types of instances. So there's a lot of types of instances that you can you can use. Their CPU, and sorry, with each instance type, you can have different number of CPUs, memory, storage, and the amount of networking. So this is a very important question when you get down to somebody asking you, okay, what type of instance should I use? Again, anytime you want, you can change it, but when you're starting to think about it, you should be aware of what kind of questions to ask. How is are you expecting to use a lot of storage? Or are you planning to use a lot of CPU? Is it something that requires a lot of network throughput? Like, are you sending, large files, or is there a lot of bandwidth? Is it a memory intensive application? So these are the questions you can ask. And based on the answers to those questions, you can help decide what type of instance to use. And then we're going to look at instances in two different ways. One, we're going to look at it in terms of pricing. How do you price instances? How do you optimize your pricing? And then we'll look at the other piece, which is probably more relevant to what you might do on a day-to-day basis, which is how do I decide which instance to use based on how my EC2 instance is going to be used?